Hey guys, how's it going? Urban Lifestyle here, or Eli as you may want to say. But I just want to talk about silver today. Specifically, I want to talk about where silver's going, my thoughts on silver. And I talk so much about silver. There's so much topics that I put on this video, well, put on this channel talking about silver. All right? And that's the thing. It may be a bit confusing because a lot of people may not know where I actually stand with silver. Okay, a lot of people may see me sell silver and they be like, "Oh, he's a silver flipper," or so. But that's not the case. A lot of people may see me collect a whole bunch of premiums and be like, "Oh, yeah, he's a collector," and that's not the case. All right, a lot of people may see me buy a whole bunch of weight, some stuff that's not high premiums, just regular rounds. Like, let me see if I have one right here. Like, this is a round, that's a round, that's a round. A lot of people see me buying that and be like, okay, he's stacking for weight. All right. And honestly, the real reason I'm stacking is for insurance. All right. I'm not stacking to make money. Like, this is all the silver I have right now on me. All right. On my person, in my house. This is the only silver I have on me. And I like to keep them just in case I want to do some videos talking about, take some pictures, post online or Instagram, keep the personal brand going. So, I have all these right here, and I believe this is a great representation. All right, I bought this one right here when I was fairly new. I have a video about this right here. I went to the pawn shop, which I will never do again. It was a mistake, and I showed you guys about it, and you guys enlightened me about it, and it was a mistake. I purchased this for $30. All right, and around that time, the price was $15 for silver, maybe 16. This was sometimes last year, like the beginning of last year, or if not, the ending of 2017. I purchased this for $15 above spot. All right. Now this one right here, I think I purchased this one for $1. $1. Yeah, $1 above spot. This one right here was a gift. Someone in the community gave it to me. Okay. This one right here was about $15 and something change, a dollar and some change above spot. I got that from Provident Metal. This one was $1 above spot. This one I paid a little bit, maybe I'll say about a good $3 to $5 over spot. This one I paid maybe $5 over spot. This one $3 over spot. That one around $3 to $5 over spot. This one I'm not too sure. I'm not sure about this one. But out of everything I have here, this is what I paid the most premiums on. And if you're new watching this channel, there's a lot of new people watching this channel. And they're like, hey, you know what? I want to go into silver. Okay, there's a lot of stuff I did in the beginning that I wish I haven't done. Okay, like this one. If I knew what I knew now, this would have been gone from the stack. That wouldn't be. It would never exist in this stack. All right, but hey, I was brand new. I made some stupid mistakes, and I learned from it. Will I give it away? No, I still have it. It's still silver. It still has some monetary value to it. Okay, now the whole point of this video is if you're new, when it comes to silver, you have to know exactly what you're doing. That's why I always say do your research. Always do your research. The closer you can get to spot, the better. Okay, the closer you can get to spot, the better. Most of my silver within the past 3 to 5 months has been like $1 above spot, if not at spot. Okay, I've been taking advantage of these spot deals that I see online, and I've been trying to get them close to spot, if not under spot. All right, I've been buying coins from friends. I'll give them 2 quarters to get a quarter. That's 90% silver. Okay, and they'll give it to me just like that. I've been doing the best I can to actually get silver less than spot. Okay, some stuff I've done may not have promoted on this channel. It's just so much. There's so much things I'm doing when it comes to gold and when it comes to silver that I don't highlight on this channel that much. So I do drop tons of video when it comes down to silver, and it may confuse some people because some people have a core value. All right, we have some people that will just stack premium stuff that's recognized, like maybe the Panda, the American Silver Eagle. They'll buy those stuff, and they wouldn't even think twice with something like this. They wouldn't even think twice because nobody knows what that is, right? Of course, it's a boar, but a lot of people don't recognize that. All right, so they'll tend to stay away from that, even though it has a beautiful design, a great design. But they'll probably stay away from that, and they'll just go to the stuff that's more recognizable. All right. Unfortunately, I don't have any American Silver Eagle right here to show, but yeah, that's recognizable. And there's some people that probably won't even go for none of these stuff right here. They won't go for none of these. They'll just go straight for weight. Okay. Now, this YouTube channel is made to put, like, I want it to be like, for lack of a better word, I want it to be the Netflix of precious metals when it comes to this YouTube channel. I want every topic out there, even if I may not agree with it. Okay, I want it to be there, and I give you guys my opinions on there. Okay, so when I'm doing this, is not to say, hey, I'm crazy about silver. Like I have so much videos that's coming on, especially in the week that's coming, that's gonna explain this more in depth. I got this video talking about how much money have I lost in silver, and I got this video coming out sometime this week, how to make money in silver. Okay, and my specific goal is not to make money doing stuff. So I don't like to teach something that I haven't done myself, but I at least have done something once. All right, and I want to give you guys my experience, something I see that worked for me. So that's what that video is going to be about. All right, how to make money with silver. Okay, but in this video specifically right here, why am I buying silver? All right, it's pretty much a hedge against inflation. I'm not doing this to make money, guys. All right, if you're here to make money, then figure out your niche, figure out what works for you, and then stick to it, master it. If that's your deal, but that's not my deal. All right, that's not my deal. I make money tons of other ways. All right, outside of this, I make money tons of other ways, and I'm trying to do something full time, like where I can make enough money where I don't need a full-time job. I don't even need a part-time job, where this could probably be my full-time job, where I can focus on stuff like this, bringing out content. All right, because that's what I love to do, pushing out content, like editing. I love editing. Okay, so I'm buying these for protection. Okay, insurance is not to make money. All right, so if you're watching my channel and you're like, hey, you know what, I want to make money doing this, all right, then don't take anything that I'm saying and be like, hey, I'm going to do it this way, because my tactics and your tactics is going to be totally different. Okay, so I just wanted to say that. I mean, there's tons of people that's like, oh, you can't make money off silver, and that's not I'm getting a whole bunch of those comments, and that's not my objective. That's not what I want. I'm not trying to make money off silver. I don't want to make money off silver. Okay, a lot of people say, hey, you're losing money on silver, and that's true. I am losing money on silver, and you're going to see that on Tuesday's video. All right, but I've also made money doing this. Okay, outside of this. And if it was just about the money, I wouldn't be doing this. I wouldn't be posting videos each and every day. It's not about the money, guys. All right, it's not about the money. It's about protecting my money. This is my protection. And I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me. I have to get a little bit louder because it's raining hard outside. But this is just protection. Like, this is my money's insurance. All right, this is my insurance for money. And that's what this is. All right, I'm not buying silver. I'm not buying gold to make money. I'm buying silver. I'm buying gold to protect my money. All right. If you guys see my bank account, you guys be like, hey, man, you can buy 10, 4, 15 ounces of gold, which is true. I could, but I'm not. It's all about budgeting. It's about discipline. And this is discipline right here. This is discipline. You know how hard it is to be like, hey, you know what? It'll be good for me to buy 2 ounces of gold, melt it down to make an urban bar and get some views on YouTube. But that's not discipline, guys. That's not discipline. Of course, someday that will happen, but I'm not going to dig out like my emergency funds. I'm not going to go into my accounts to pull that money out. Hopefully this makes sense. I just wanted to talk to you guys today. Just letting you guys know what's in my heart. All right. So main focus on this video, if you're buying silver to make money, like, I don't see it possible. Like, maybe in the long run, maybe 10 years down the line, if you're just putting it here, and maybe 10 years down the line, at best, you can make some money. But all the time, you protect yourself from inflation. It's going to just go up. All right. The only way you lose money, I believe myself, the only way you lose money, the only way this is worthless is if it goes down to zero. All right. People used to buy this at $3. All right. Here's the crazy part. A lot of people like to say, oh, people used to buy silver when it was at $30. If silver was at $30 when I started, I wouldn't buy silver. No, I wouldn't buy silver. I would have waited. And I looked at the track record. Of course, I wouldn't buy silver. I would have been like, hey, it could be a bit overvalued right now. But looking at the track record, and I'm looking at the prices now, I'm like, okay, it's undervalued. Okay, like that's why I always say this is the best time to buy silver, and that's just my opinion. All right, but a lot of people saying, hey, people bought at $30 and they lost a lot of money if they sold out. Yeah, they did lose a lot of money. But what about the people that bought silver at $5 an ounce? What about the people that bought silver at $3? How can we not talk about? It's the same thing, right? Just the opposite of the number line, but it's the same thing. Did they make money? Did they protect themselves against inflation? Of course. All right. Now, I don't see, just me, myself, personally, I could be wrong, but I don't see this going below 10. I don't see this going below 10. I believe that, hey, we've seen the lowest. Maybe it could go a little bit lower than we've seen it. And the lowest I've seen it in my career of stacking is 1398. All right. I can see it lower, maybe, but it's going to be a couple of cents under if it does go back to that point. Now, we've seen it go up $1 more. Looks like it's about in the 1560 range. But yeah, guys, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Comment down below. Have a good one, guys.